class we have to use for effecting multiple of element, and
Yeah.
id we are
Div is
using
for,
particular element.
yeah, that's I want to tell that itself means when there is requirement for multiple, you can go by with which one, class or
Class,
id?
class.
Class. But when separate means only one, we can go with id. Now, what I done? Okay, building one. One thing I will tell. Now we have dot. When we will take id means yeah, id and class. So id when there will be for particular, like just see when we had taken a span. Okay, this one, just cut this what we had taken here. Okay, just color. Now see, in a span case, okay, go with take id. No need to take class. You can, but no need. Wherever you want, pass id. Class you can pass in the main section itself, like a div. We had passed that because that was the main block itself. So id, and we can pass one id name. How we will take this id name for this span? Anyone have idea? Because this is just only one text. We will copy this text itself and we will pass here. Okay, and take this styling also. So inside style here we will pass. Now Vivekanand, you have to tell whether this will be dot or hash. Dollar is there or not? Vivekanand,
Sir, dollar.
hash or what? First, Abhishek, what will be? Dollar. Yeah, Vivekanand.
Dot.
Dot. Okay, fine. Abhishek, dot or hash?
Yes,
Dot.
sir. Dot.
Okay, fine, good. Ritvik.
I think they're dot.
Okay, dot. Fine.
It will be
One
hash.
second. One second. One second.
It will be hash.
Praful.
Dot.
Yeah, correct. So let's verify with dot. What happened? No output. Why? Let's verify with hash. It worked. Why?
Because it is id now, that's why it is working.
Ritvik, had you got it? That is ID.
Okay, got it.
In case
Yeah,
of
that was
ID,
mentioned over there. Yeah.
yeah. So in case of ID, we will take a hash. In case of class, we will take dot. But one thing, just as a fun, I can tell how you will keep remember whether in case of ID you have to pass a hash, or in case of dot, means in case of class you will pass dot. Suppose in interview they asking, means suddenly they had asked this, then how you will verify? How you will get this suddenly? Anybody have any idea? Clue? Any idea? Just give me 2 minutes. I coming back. Meanwhile, you can just discuss yourself and you can decide. Okay, I will tell.
Vivekanand,
बोलो.
speak Hindi because recording is going on.
रिकॉर्डिंग ऑफ है.
तो आप क्या समझे हो, मतलब कि हैज कहाँ यूज किया जाता है और क्लास यूज कहाँ किया जाता है? बेसिकली जैसे क्लास वहाँ यूज किया जाता है जैसे मतलब कि मल्टीपल एलिमेंट होता है, जैसे डिव एक क्या है, कंटेनर है, और उस कंटेनर में मतलब कि पैराग्राफ होता है, स्पैन होता है, h1 टैग होता है। तो डिव में मल्टीपल एलिमेंट है। तो मल्टीपल एलिमेंट को रिप्रेजेंट करने के लिए या उसको मल्टीपली इफेक्ट करने के लिए क्लास का यूज किया जाता है। और किसी पार्टिकुलर एलिमेंट सच एज h1 टैग, t टैग, स्पैन टैग, उसको पर्टिकुलर एलिमेंट को इफेक्ट करने के लिए आईडी का यूज किया जाता है।
सही है. तब आईडी जो होता है, आईडी जो भी होता है सब क्लास में होता है ना.
आईडी नहीं, आईडी क्या क्लास में होता है?
मतलब क्लास के अंदर ही आईडी होता है ना. क्लास माने क्लास क्रिएट करने के बाद ही ना, मतलब डिव में डिव क्रिएट करने के बाद क्लास क्रिएट करते हैं, उसके अंदर में हमको आईडी क्रिएट कर सकते हैं ना.
हाँ, डीप में हम लोग आईडी भी क्रिएट कर सकते हैं और क्लास भी कर सकते हैं, लेकिन क्लास का बेसिकली क्या यूज होता है मैं वही चीज बता रहा हूँ। एक डीप क्या है, एक कंटेनर है, और उस कंटेनर इन द सेंस मतलब एक बकेट, उस बकेट में आप मतलब कि जो भी चीज चाहो डाल सकते हो, ठीक है ना, मल्टीपल थिंग्स यू कैन मतलब आप डाल सकते हो। लेकिन जो H1 टैग होता है, H1 टैग मतलब कि पर्टिकुलर हेलो होता है या कोई भी हेडिंग मतलब उसमें रिप्रेजेंट किया जाता है, उसमें ज्यादा मतलब मल्टीपल एलिमेंट नहीं होता है, विवेकानंद।
सुन रहे हैं।
H1 जो होता है उसमें बस एक ही उसका एलिमेंट होता है, H1 का मतलब कि कोई भी हेडिंग को रिप्रेजेंट कर, सिंगल एलिमेंट है। तो सिंगल एलिमेंट को इफेक्ट करने के लिए हम लोग आईडी का यूज करते हैं। सिंगल एलिमेंट को, जैसे एस्पैन हो गया, तो एस्पैन जैसे डॉलर लिखा गया है तो वो मतलब सिंगल मतलब एलिमेंट है वो। और मल्टीपल इन द सेंस जैसे डीप में मल्टीपल एलिमेंट होता है, एलिमेंट इन द सेंस पैराग्राफ होता है, स्पैन हो गया, उसको इफेक्ट करने के लिए कंटेनर को मतलब पूरा बाल्टीन को इफेक्ट करने के लिए हम क्लास का यूज करते हैं। जैसे समझो बाल्टीन हो गया, तो उस बाल्टीन में जो भी सामान है सारे किसी को इफेक्ट करने के लिए हम लोग क्लास का यूज करते हैं।
Hello. Hello.
यस सर।
हाँ, तो had you discussed? Means had you got any trick? Means when you will get a dot or hash dot anything?
No, actually we didn't reach any conclusion.
Why? Had you not tried?
No, we are explaining only things what difference between class and ID, where we are going to use that particular things.
Okay, okay. Okay, see. In case of ID, how this is going to write? Sorry. Like this type we are writing?
Yes.
Oh, sorry. Like this type we are. Oh my God, this is going to be Zoom. Just 1 second. Let me cancel this.
So, recording can.
Yeah,
could you
it's a
start?
no. In a Skype, it actually started already. Not an issue. So ID means we have to. Why my pen is not? Oh, pen is not selected. Yeah. So in case of ID, first letter is I.
Yes.
Okay. Do one thing. Cut this one. Wait. What it will become?
Hash.
Means what? In
Yes.
case of ID, we will take a hash. Got the trick? Got or not?
Yes, got it. Yes,
Take
sir.
that I letter and cut that one and make that. Because in case of class, we have C, we can't cut. Correct? Got or not?
Yeah, got it, sir. No doubt.
Others? Ritvik?
Yeah, got sir, please.
Yeah. Anybody have dot?
Sir, sir, dot. Please can repeat.
Yeah, 1 second. See, what we are doing when you have to take ID. What is first letter? That is I.
Okay, sir.
Okay, I. So in case of ID, we are taking hash. Okay, what we will do? We will cut this line and we will cut one more line. 1 second. Due to this pen, actually, it's going to zoom. Okay. And now it become cut here also. Okay. And make one more I here. It become hash. But in case of C, okay, just that is dot. Means take the first letter I and cut that and make that hash. Got this?
Okay, sir.
Yeah.
Okay, okay, sir. Okay.
Just you have to take the first letters I and cut that, make hash. That's become.
Okay.
That will be like just what for ID. But when you got that ID have has, means suppose its class have dot, only two option, whether a dot or has, that's it. So while interview, if you getting confused, just use this trick. It will, you will get that, because ID and class, they are asking why we are using ID and why not class. So now, yeah, span I shown that. No? Yeah. So particular, suppose that I have particular field, I mean particular text inside a span, we can pass that ID and we can pass that color styling, whatever we have. Now my question means one thing I want to tell you regarding style. When there was a need to pass a style with a tag itself, okay, no need to write a style keyword there. Okay, be passing, sorry, no need to pass opening and closing tag, just pass a style and start the property and value. Okay, but when you passing a style not with a tag outside, then you have to write a style opening and closing as like tag, and after that pass that property and value, then property and value. But what we had done, we had passed that all property and value, style property value on class and on ID, then again on ID. Up to this, any issue? Tell me.
Sir, sir, one
Ah,
question.
yeah,
Sir, you write division class and how write building block?
that is nothing. That is just naming convention. How I had written, see, actually I had passed one text here. This is a new building. Okay, just maybe some building regarding text is there. So that's why I thought that this block is containing information regarding building. Okay, so just that's why I taken building. Okay, and block, why I taken block, why I taken block, because this is a container. Container means block, completely block itself. So that's why I taken block. So whenever you passing name in a div section, you can pass in this way, building underscore block, or just building also, it will find. Okay,
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
yeah. So naming, this is just naming convention, this is nothing. This is just like that. Actually the real name of that is selector. When you passing this, it going to select a building block and affecting that one and apply this style on particular whatever you getting here. So in single page application, when you passing that, like when you clicking navigation bar, it will move up and down like that. It will refer. We will look over that in upcoming also how to. So mm, I think anybody others have doubt. So what about one thing? So what is this actually? ID, as like in image tag or SRC, many things are there. Alt, this, that. What was a special name for those? Any idea? Okay, that is attribute. You all are sleeping. Now see, can we pass multiple? Suppose that what we will do? Where is building block? Okay, where is building block? Building block. Okay. See, in case of building block, if I making text of this one particular, okay, fine. Okay, wait. So suppose that here we had written some that style, okay, and we want to make the same style for like this, for this also, for another div. What we will do? Anyone? I want to apply same style. Means same style means this style to this one. What we will do?
We'll apply the same class to the other div.
Yeah. So what we will do? We will just copy this div name. Okay. This name, or whether with HTML, means from anywhere. Okay, let me go with this. That name, and we will pass a here. And now save. Now see what happened. Now you have dot that text of this is looking like this, but text of this become red. Why?
Because you have given a ID
Yeah,
in that
so
paragraph.
that is coming from this one actually. So for others, just be careful. Suppose we had make any style, okay, and if we want to add that same style on multiple tag, what we will do, we will take the class name, okay, class name or id name, whatever is there. If a dot means id or class, this is reverse. Dot means
ID.
how?
Means
id can be
class.
id can be
Class.
class.
Dot means class.
Yeah,
Class, sir.
so dot means class. What we will do, we will copy this class and we can pass in wherever we want to apply that style. So what we want to apply that style on this particular last div, this area. So what I had done, I had passed here. Now see, you can see one building block class is there, then one space is there, then one class is there. Means what you realize from here, we can pass multiple class with one tag. Okay, is it clear?
Yes.
Yeah, but in case of id, we can't pass a multiple. Okay, it is not good. We have to pass only one id name, so never pass multiple. You can pass multiple class, but don't pass that one. Now what is the benefit of multiple class? Suppose that for this particular class building block, what is text color? Color is red. Okay, this will become effective for this particular one. Okay, actually we had pass id. Let me remove that id. Okay, where is that id? Okay, here. Wait, I will take something p, and don't think that we can take only p. Others is also fine. You can take h1, h2, anything. Now see, you will realize difference that now that a complete div text, some text is due to means due to id, that is color different, but some by default is red, and same style it got affected on this one because we had taken same class. Correct or not? Up to this we had taken same class in the bottom also, that's why color becomes same. But what I want, I not want color of this one red, I want color of this one different. Then what you will do? Anyone idea? Now first realize how many class is available for this particular div. How many class?
2 class.
Two class. One
So
is
we will
morning
give the
block, one is morning block, and one is building block. Okay,
we'll give
is
the
it
color
fine?
to morning block. Yes.
Yeah, so is it fine? Here two classes is applied. Is it fine for all or any doubt in this one?
Fine, sir.
Fine. So with the help of building block, let's verify what we are getting. See, with building block, we getting color red. Okay, how we can get here? There is search facility in all editor. What you can do? You can select. Where is that? Yeah, you can double click. Otherwise, you can select and copy. Okay. Control C, Control F is the shortcut. You will get this dialog box and you can paste there. It will show how many matching text is there. So now it's showing 3 matching text. Now just hit enter, or otherwise you can take this navigation arrow marks. Okay, previous match or next match, like that. Click this next match. It's showing that building block. But if you want exact match, pass that exact. What will be that dot? Then you will get the exact value. Now see, only one match is there. So we got what? Building block. So with building block, the color is red, but I want color for this one is different. Means which block? Morning block, because we had passed the same thing. Now what I will do? I will apply color on morning block. Okay. So because if you okay, wait, then we will came on this case also. What color? That is confusing. Okay, go green. That's fine. But here, dot or hash first? This is class actually.
Dot.
So it will be dot or hash?
Dot.
Dot. Let's
Sir,
verify.
Dot.
Yeah. Now tell me, what is the need of writing just one single line outside? Why not we had written this line here? Ritvik. Color. We had written just one line of a style in this code. Separate class. Why not we had written the same in the upper one? Okay, Ritvik, no answer, no issue. Shivani.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah. So what will be? We had written one color here. Okay. Means this particular class have only one line of code. What is the need of writing one line of code only means in separate class? Why not we can go this class with this itself? We can write or not?
We cannot write
Okay.
because of color.
Wait. Let others just wait. Shivani, can you idea or no idea or Vodafone?
May I, sir?
Yeah, you can.
Sir, it is not color because of if I color building block, then
Yeah.
then it's two building blocks and morning block two colors text.
Okay, that's a different text color. Okay, fine.
Yeah.
Means it is necessary to. Okay. Okay, let me change the color of that itself. That can we do all that or not? Is it possible?
Yes, sir, we can.
Sir,
We can.
Sir, we can write by comma, sir, means dot building block, comma morning block.
Morning, evening, everything you will write. Wait. Just okay. Color be passed here. What is that? Now one thing, tell me, if I had kept this line on the top, then I getting red color. But when I keeping this line on the second, then I getting this color. What is magic going? Akshay, just wait. I will come on you later. Remaining, please. And Amardeep, just you can wait. What is the magic going? When I changing the position, color getting differ. Any idea or no idea? Hello? My mic is working or not?
Perfectly working.
Yes, sir.
Oh, no, I getting shocked whether network is there or not. Line is connected, that's why. Yeah. So what magic is going? Because when you altering the position, changing the position, you getting different color. What is the reason? Okay, I will go one by one. Ritvik,
No idea for this.
idea? No idea. Okay, Shivani,
No idea, sir.
no idea.
No idea,
Other
sir.
Shivani. Okay, both are
No
same
idea,
time. Okay, combo pack. Then go with Samir. Yeah,
I was absent.
everybody was absent for this thing. Don't worry, this is dependent. This I had discussed in the first class itself. I will realize you. Wait. Samir, you have idea?
Yes, because of it considering line by line code now.
Yeah. So this is due to line by line execution. Okay. In programming, not even HTML, others also, it's going line by line execution. So if, okay, line by line means the first line is red one. It have to reflect, then why not this one? It reflecting this one. Why? Then Akshay?
CSS has a specificity that if we are, it will take the last one. If you are giving the two colors,
Yeah.
it will always take the last one.
Means it going to override the previous one. Correct? So what was the effect? It had overridden previous one. That's why we will always get the last effect. Whether you can go background, this, that, anything, it will take the last one. Because see, both had happened. First time color red had affected, but within second or millisecond or whatever you can tell, that color from red to green, it gets changed because line by line execution. So it get overridden, means red become overridden by the green color. Is this clear?
Yes.
Yes, yes, yes.
No doubt.
Shivani, clear?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So that is the concept actually. When you going JavaScript, those every languages, the same thing will be. That's why it will take last value. So now, let me. Okay. So what we was planning that time actually, we had passed that value here, but I not want to means I not want to write one line extra. See what is the reason? If we want to make this color, we want to make this color as a red, but not for this one as a red. So that's why we can take separate class and we can pass whatever we want. And wherever we want green color, we can pass this class for that particular. Okay. Suppose that you want for this one, this particular text, just wait, see. Where is that? Okay. I don't know whether it's fine or not. Let's verify. So what we will do? We will pass a span with class. And what was that name? Where is that? Okay. Had it done anything? Yeah. So see what I done. I want to apply that color for this particular text. What I had done, because my style was already written there. Okay. This class already containing that particular color. So just I taken that class name and I had passed in the span section. No need to write again the same code. See this one. Is this clear? Tell. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Is this clear for all? Nobody is speaking. I think this look like Blender dot. Hello.
Yes,
Clear or not clear?
it's little bit clear,
Okay.
very
So
confusing.
yeah, that's see what I told. I had done. I had not done anything. Already we had written something CSS here. Is it fine?
Yes,
We had written already. So for which one, wherever you want that particular class or ID name. Okay. Suppose that you have to make a this color type design somewhere in this text. Okay. What you will do? How you getting this color? Just you have to look over. You getting due to this building one. Is this fine? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Ritvik, are you there?
yes, yes,
We are getting this color with this building one.
yes.
Correct. What we will do? We will take this class. No need to write one extra matlab class or ID regarding this color only, because already this is available. We will take this copy where we want in this last paragraph. Go in second paragraph. Second paragraph. Okay. I will go in this morning. Okay. And in morning, I want to apply this. How you will apply? Now tell me. No, don't go morning because already one is span there. But you can pass. Now I want for this one. First letter. How you will pass? Tell me. For this one.
We will
What you will
provide a span.
Okay, let's go span. Okay, next. Next, what you will do? How you will get that particular color?
Then we
Style.
provide the color style is equal to color.
Okay, style equal to color. Okay, and color equal to that color, correct?
Yes.
Is this okay? It affected, but this color code is already written on the top with this ID.
Yes, yes, it is written.
Then what is the need of writing that code again and again? Getting my question?
So we can call from there.
Yeah, we can call from there, but how we will call? Which class or ID? What is that actually? This
It was
one.
a
ID.
building.
Building is ID or class? I means a cross, has symbol.
Yeah,
ID, sir.
it's ID.
We had a strike it out that one. So just pass ID here. See, it worked. Correct or not?
Yeah, understand.
Got this? So that's I telling when already some color or something is there, no need to pass, means no need to write again and again. We can use that directly. Means wherever you want anything. Got this? Suppose that you have to make one border. Okay. And suppose I written one border. Just what we will do? We will write blindly. Okay. Border and because once you got this div and ID concept clear, it become perfect. Then nothing in HTML. 1 pixel, DOTTED dotted, and then red. Don't go red. Always be going with red. Now it's not going to do anything because we had not called this class. Now what it will do? It will make border. Okay. Now Praful, tell
Yes.
me how we will use this class. Suppose
Sir,
you have to make a border or okay, go with this div itself. How we will use this border class or any div.
sir, second paragraph,
Line number,
div
line number. Go
line
with
num
anyone. Okay, see.
67, type
Okay.
to div class,
Means you telling me here to write one div class. Okay.
div,
Div, correct?
div and class, नहीं border,
Class.
क्या
This one.
this
Border,
one.
class name is border. So like this type. I don't know.
Yes.
That's. Is it fine? Can I save?
And no sir, here div class close in all paragraph, after paragraph.
After paragraph, in the sense here you telling. Here you telling.
Yes, yes, sir.
Okay, but what about this div? This div closing where? At line number 18. Correct.
Half, all paragraph are end to div class are close.
Okay, means you're telling we can write here. Okay.
Yes.
Okay. So what is the okay? That's fine. We can write like this also. It will work. Okay. We got this a dotted border here. You can see this visualization. But what is the need of taking one extra div? Because already one below div is there and it had not done anything. We can cut this complete class and we can pass in the below div itself. But if suppose anything is required more, then we can go with that. Can we pass a multiple class here or not?
Yes, we can pass.
We can pass. We already discussed that.
Yes.
Oh, sorry. 1 second. Yeah. So multiple class in the sense we can write anywhere. Okay. Just pass that border. Now see how many class is there. There is one class border, then one space, then another class building. Now see building block in the middle space. Sorry, underscore separation is there. Then again one space, then morning underscore block one separation. Means with the help of separation underscore, we had trying to combine different naming convention. So now see what I had done. I saved Now see what we get output. We got border. It look like just normal. Wait, I will increase that. It is border is 3 pixel. Now see, we got border 3 pixel.
Hello, sir.
Okay. Yeah.
So I have one question. Sir,
Yeah.
like you tell it gets executed line by line, but in class we have multiple classes. Then which class is executed first?
It will take all.
Side
That time not that time not an issue. Okay. It will take all class, but it going one by one itself. Like when multiple class, it will take first this one, then it will apply this one, then it will apply third one, because all are doing same different thing. Got this point? This all 3 class it doing different, because suppose that in this class had you written something code. Okay.
Yes.
Well, suppose you had written hair color. Okay. Here itself that color get overridden. Correct or not? And suppose if you taking this class, means just consider this as a class. If otherwise, if you taking this class, okay, and suppose both are doing same task, then why you will take another class? Means you have done something extra, something different. Then only you taking that one. If both had different task, then you will not got any overridden there. Both will be affected. Correct or not? Because both class have different tasks. Is this clear? If you both have, hello?
Yes, sir. Clear.
Clear, no? Okay. Because already it will execute one by one. But if both already we had taken 2 class, 3 class, then sure different purpose. It's already they will affect different. So that's not the matter. So we had taken 1 class, 2 class, and 3 class. But one thing, had you observe when we had taken separate div, now just you have to observe carefully. What you observed? See the gapping between this one. Okay. Gapping between this border and text boundary. Due to which? Due to this div. Okay. Now take this class. Sorry. Take this class and pass in the second one. Now see that capping. Okay. So due to div, we will get extra spacing there. So don't paste a space. There will be proper performance issue. So up to class div, any issue? Tell me. Everything get covered in this. Anyone have any issue?
No issue, sir.
We already seen multiple class we can take, how we can apply multiple class. We already covered. Now see multiple classes concept is here. How we can take CT is there. Sorry. CT is there. Main is there. 2 class it will apply. Now different elements can share same class. This also we can see. We had seen same class. We had passed in the different element like paragraph. We had passed the same here also. Okay. Or for this one, color, we had taken this class itself for this one. Correct or not? Abhishek, any issue in this one?
No, sir. No issue, sir.
Okay. Ritvik, any issue?
No issues.
Okay. Shivani?
No, sir.
All clear? Okay.
Yes.
So actually these all are your selector. So when you will study JavaScript, that time you will see that with the help of this class name or ID name, we going to do some task. Okay, we will do something activity there. So that time you will realize something extra. So again, ID, same thing we had discussed, how we can take that ID, how we can that pass a style. So what is different between class and style? Now just one time, a class name can be used multiple HTML element as like class name, which one? This also we can pass. Okay, as like morning walk block, we can pass to multiple element, but ID also we can pass. There is not that issue. But during naming convention, never try to get like that actually. When you passing ID name in full content in this completely, it should be unique. Don't take multiple. Like say, if you will search, you will get only one. Okay, so never take multiple ID. Take only one ID. But class name, you can take multiple.
I think we have taken multiple IDs here.
Yeah.
Building one.
That I told that we had passed that building one itself. So never take this one actually. Just do one thing. We will building two and pass this there. Where is building one? Building one. Building one. This one. Pass has symbol. We will learn this later that why we passed this one like this way. In CSS, you will learn this more. It is affected. No, I think comma is required or what? I don't know. So see, okay, I will tell now itself. So when you passing multiple selector. Hello?
Yes, sir. Please start recording.
In a Skype it going this time over due to that storage. I think maybe my C drive is full.
For revision, okay.
Already in a Skype recording is going. Don't worry.
Purchase new laptop, sir.
Correct. I belonging to Ambani.
Everyone
Yes.
full
Definitely
full
belongs to Ambani.
Okay, I will agree on that Amardeep idea. Amardeep, what is your idea?
If anyone's saying and buy the new laptops and say everyone that everyone should pay the full payment once at a time.
Correct. I will purchase the MacBook itself.
Okay. First you have to start. We'll do
Yeah, I have no issues. I can give.
Okay, so see. Okay, what? Yeah, selector. So when you have to pass multiple selector, means suppose here, what I had done, I had taken two ID. Okay, like building two and then building one. Two ID, separate IDs there. What I had done, I had taken two selector different. So for making same style for both selector, we will pass with the help of commas. Okay. With the help of comma, it will the same style will be effect on multiple selector. Multiple selector in the sense multiple ID or multiple class. So in this type also we can pass. Yeah. Your sound is coming from very long distance. Okay. So next HTML bookmark with ID and link. That's also same thing. Yeah. We can go with href, but I not thinking. Let's me verify this. Is content enough for this? No. Okay, I have to bring some scroll bar. Then it will work. My God. With anchor tag. Okay. C4. Let it to be. And now see what we will do. Here one I had added one ID. Just go that. Just check and what is calling? See here. Where is that image? Yeah, anchor tag. Hello.
Sir, we are here only.
Yeah. Okay. So anchor tag we had passed href equal to C4. Okay, any name, not an issue. This one C4. What this is going to do? This is going to jump to chapter 4. It had written. What we will do? Jump to bottom. BOTTOM. Jump to bottom means when I clicking this, my page have to move to bottom. Okay, what I will do? I will pass this ID somewhere. Give me one more, then you will. What was that? That was ID, correct? C4. So I will pass in the ID. Okay, and that was capital C4. Let's verify whether it's working or not. I don't know. What happened? What error is there? Yeah, see what I had done. I had passed that ID value here C4. Okay, now I am on the top. Okay, I will click on this button, jump, sorry, that name wrong. Jump bottom. So when I will click jump bottom, you will see this scroll bar will be auto in the end. Okay, I not going to do anything. I will just click where we are right now. We are scroll bar in the bottom or not? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes, we are.
Yeah. So how we reached there? See the reason behind that. When we clicked this one, jump bottom, where this is actually, this is in anchor tag. Okay. As like previously, we was passing in href www.google.com, some area, some address. So it was relocating there, navigating on that one. But here, when we clicking on jump button, what it's searching? It's searching for href. What it getting? Has C4. Has in the sense ID. Okay. So what it doing? It's searching in our full code for this C4. Where it will get? It will get in the bottom. Where? That is in P section. So that's why BK coming down directly. Is that any issue anyone have? Let's
No
do one
issues.
thing. Let's verify. I don't know whether that will work with that or not. Let's verify with class also. What we'll do? We'll pass a dot. Just to see whether it's working or not. Where is that class? Okay. I will give one more. Okay. Just to give a span. Class. What we had taken C4. Class C4. Fine. And data. Save. Now just see where is the data. Data came. Okay. Now jump bottom. What it get? Means with C, means with a dot we can't. Okay, we got some error. Getting this? So we can only be, it will only work with ID, not with the class. So wherever you will see that some like, second, we will rectify this one. Yeah, assemble, save. Yeah. So whenever there is requirement for making single page application, okay, that time we are going with ID and class. Since I had itself, I had make that website that is also just like single page application. Single page means just only one page. In that itself, multiple section I taken with the help of just ID and class. So when I clicking about section, it will reach about automatic. When I clicking service, just see that URL. This one has, okay, this one services URL got changed and we reached on the services. Carrier, we reached on carrier, we reached on contact us. Got this? So with the help of this type, we can navigate up and down wherever we want. Any issue?
No, sir.
No.
No, sir.
Okay. So whenever there is requirement for making just means within 1 day or 2 days, if you have to make any website, just go with just one page application and you can create. Means because there will be navigation bar, but it jumping in one page itself. So page will be less, it working fine, not an issue. Client will be happy, you will be happy. Now, so with the help of that, we can move. Now, using the ID attribute in JavaScript that we will see in JavaScript.
Hello.